Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is AC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, your family, your neighbors, and everyone that you know. So today's video is for people who want to get into makeup and they're not sure of the products that they need or the tools that they need to start doing their makeup. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the products that I use and the basic products that you need to start doing your own makeup. I hope you're gonna learn a few things from this video, and let's jump into the video, guys. So I'm gonna start from the basics, and that is the primer and the moisturizer. If you have watched my everyday makeup tutorial, you have seen that I just use Nivea to moisturize my skin. Yeah, I normally don't use a primer, but if you have oily skin, I will recommend that you buy a primer that is matte to just keep the oils in. You don't want to have your makeup looking all oily during the day. After you've taken care of your skin, the next thing that you need is to take care of your eyebrows. And for a beginner, I will recommend using a pencil at first, because when you're using a pencil, you will have more control, yeah, because it's firm. Instead of using powders, eyebrow powder. For a light person, I will recommend pencil number 18. That is what I use. And for someone who's more of dark chocolate, I would recommend pencil number 3, because when you're dark and you use a pencil that is light, the pencil might not be visible. The next thing that you're gonna be needing is an eyebrow brush. Yeah, you can use an eyebrow brush or a spoolie. The next thing you need is concealer, guys, because you need to conceal your eyebrows. And when you're buying a concealer, make sure you buy something that is not too light compared to your skin tone, yeah, because you want the concealer to blend easily with your foundation and for you to have a natural and not a clown look. For the concealer, you're gonna be needing a concealer brush, and when you're buying a concealer brush, you need something that is flat like this, so that when you're concealing and defining your eyebrows, it will be precise. When buying your eyeshadow palette, what you need is a palette that has a few shades that are shimmery and a few shades that are matte. What I mean by matte is the powdery shades, because you're gonna use the powdery shades to just as your transition shade. When it comes to eyeshadow brushes, what you need is like a packing brush. This is a very good brush to pack your eyeshadow. And you also need a blending brush, and I bought this in town for about, I think, 150 Kenyan shillings. You don't really need something expensive when it comes to brushes, so buy about 2 blending brushes and a flat brush to just pack your eyeshadow. Something else that I find really important and I can't go without is this kind of, I don't know if I will call them brushes or sponges or whatever, but I find these brushes, this thing, very important, especially when I'm doing my shimmery shades, because I really have a hard time using a brush when I'm packing my shimmery shades. After eyeshadow, the next thing that you're gonna be needing is eyeliner. When it comes to eyeliner, I feel like this is so necessary to have a pencil, a black eye pencil. This eye pencil that I'm using, that I have right now, is it's called Air Woman. So these pencils, I normally buy them in Kamukonji. If you know that place, it's in town, and that's a place for wholesale things. So whenever I go there, I normally buy 12 of them for just 125 bob. Yeah, 125, 120 bob, and I get 6 black eye pencils and 6 brown eye pencils at 120. But if you want to wing your eyeliner, what I can recommend is a liquid eyeliner, or you can use gel eyeliner. Personally, I use this gel eyeliner from Maybelline. Most of my products are from Maybelline, you guys. So this is it's called the Maybelline Lasting Drama Up to 24 Hours eyeliner gel, yeah. So that's what I normally use for eyeliner. After eyeliner, we go to the foundation. You can buy a cream foundation, a liquid foundation, whatever works for you guys. When you're buying your foundation, you need to know your skin type. So if you have oily skin, if you have combination, if you have dry skin, just get foundation that works well with your skin. What I normally use is a flat top foundation brush, and I find that it's easier to work with personally. but some people also use a beauty blender, so you also need a beauty blender, guys. I will recommend you to have at least 2 beauty blenders in your makeup kit. After foundation, we go to contouring, and when it comes to contouring, you can use a foundation to contour your face, or you can use a concealer. But for a beginner, I will recommend you to buy powders first because they are pretty easy to contour your face. And if you feel like it's not enough, you can just add more powder to that area, yeah? Instead of going in with a concealer or a foundation and you're not able to blend out the contour very well. After contouring, the next thing that you need is a good face powder. Personally, what I use is this Fit Me powder, and I just use it to set my whole face, yeah, after doing my foundation. For powders, you need a fluffy brush, and this is what I normally use. After doing your powder, the next thing that you need is a highlighter. And when it comes to highlighters, you can just use your shimmery eyeshadows, and they work pretty well when highlighting your face, and you can just use your blending brush to just highlight your face. Another thing that you need is a mascara. Personally, I normally use this Maybelline mascara. Almost everything that I own is from Maybelline. It's pretty affordable and it's good quality makeup, yeah? That's why I go for Maybelline. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned a few things, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, your family, and let's see each other in my next video.